लहू में एक चिंगारी, सिद्ध से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, सिद्ध से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, सिद्ध से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा।
माँ,
ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है। तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं, और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Friends, I went to Gujarat. कच्छ की रेती रंगों से सजी, गरबा और डांडिया की धुनों में मची। You know, I visited its beaches, temples, wildlife sanctuaries and hill resorts.
ढोल हैया बाबा के बगे ढोलीड़ा।
आपको पता है मैं मुंबई गया था, मैंने सेलिब्रिटीज को देखा, मैंने फिल्म की शूटिंग भी देखी, मैं गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया गया, मैंने ताज होटल में खाना खाया। इतना बड़ा होटल मैंने पहली बार देखा। बेलपूरी और पानी पूरी खाकर तो मजा ही आ गया।
केसरिया बालम आओ नी पधारो नी मारे
धरती सोनी जवान, हसदे मिठे लोकां दा आए मैदान। The teacher informed the students about a competitive exam. She inspired Asha to participate. Asha went home and asked her parents. They refused. The teacher convinced her parents and educated them that women empowerment is the pressing priority to bring a significant change in the society.
जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख, कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख।
अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है, कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी भींचना है। अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है, कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी भींचना है। भले हालात हो कैसे भी बस ये सोच ले तू, यही है जिद यही है रार, बस अब जीतना है। लिखूंगा खुद नई तकदीर अपने हाथ से मैं, रगों में खून के संग इस जुनून को घोल के रख, कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख। जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख, कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख। जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख।
Asha secured 98% marks and got admission in the best college of the city.
माता पिता का आशीर्वाद हो, साथ में जब साथ में जब साथ में जब, गुरुजनों का आशीष मिले, हर बात में जब बात में जब बात में
the day when she set on a voyage to never look behind but to paint a vibrant future. Flight attendants, prepare for landing please. Cabin crew, please take your seats for landing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chennai. The weather is a bit overcast. We wish you a pleasant stay here and we hope to see you again very soon. We didn't realize how time passed with you, ma'am. Ma'am, we are inspired by your resilience and determination. The rung of a ladder is never meant to rest on. It is only to hold a person's foot long enough to enable her to put the other on the higher rung. Friends, life is not easy for any of us, especially for the underprivileged like me. I owe this transformation to my beloved alma mater, my school, my sisters, and my teachers. Today, as I stand before this august audience, I am confident to speak. I am able to take up responsibilities. I respect the cultures and values of the other people, and above all, I understand my own strengths as well as my weaknesses. The spirit of the school continues to inspire me as I carry the values and the knowledge gained within its four walls into the outer world. I shall be grateful for this unwavering encouragement and mentorship that allowed me to reach my full potential. I propound each one of you to climb the ladder of education for a promising future. Connecting home and school makes us a great community of learners.
सुनाने आए हैं, कुछ फरियादी और कुछ पैगाम लाई हैं, शिकायतें आज ये सरेआम लाई हैं, रुतबा खुद का एक दूसरे पर जमाने झुंझलाते हैं, चलिए आज पहले उन्हें ही सुलझाते हैं।
इरशाद इरशाद इरशाद, अजी सुनिए, अपनी शर्तों पर मोल हमें ले जाती है, अपनी शर्तों पर मोल सुधरते बड़ी ही ढीठ नस्ल के हैं। हम नवाब हैं, बेहिसाब हैं, लाजवाब हैं, खुली किताब है। हम नवाब हैं, बेहिसाब हैं, लाजवाब हैं, खुली किताब है। जमीन पर यूं लेट जाते हैं, रो रो कर अपनी बातें भी मनवाते हैं। घर आकर चाहे डांट हम खाते हैं, अरे कभी कभी तो चपेट भी लग जाते हैं।
चपेट? हाय अल्लाह, एक्सक्यूज मी, मारना तो अलाउड ही नहीं है। ये मत सोचिए आप ही आप हैं, गौर फरमाइए हम तुम्हारे बाप हैं।
अगर आप बाप हैं, हम भी बाप रे बाप हैं। आपस में छिड़ी देखो आज ऐसी जंग है, आपस में छिड़ी देखो आज ऐसी जंग है। हम इनसे तंग हैं, ये हमसे तंग है। हम इनसे तंग हैं, ये हमसे तंग है।
रखिए खाने पीने और शॉपिंग को एक साइड, चलिए डालते हैं पढ़ाई पर लाइमलाइट। इसके बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है, यही आपसे हमारा अब सवाल है। अपनी सारी बातें हमसे मनवाते हैं, नंबर ना जाने फिर भी कम क्यों लाते हैं। अपनी सारी बातें हमसे मनवाते हैं। गौर फरमाइएगा, अब हम भी कुछ बतलाते हैं, जिंदगी का फलसफा आपको समझाते हैं। इरशाद इरशाद इरशाद, आप सही हैं, आप भी सही हैं। दरअसल उम्र का फासला यही है, जो चलता आ रहा है बरसों से, नहीं बदल सकते कल या परसों से। मत कीजिए आप इनसे इतनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस, सिर्फ दीजिए सपोर्ट और मोटिवेशन। दीजिए इतना जितनी इनको है नीड, वरना बढ़ती जाएगी इनकी ग्रीड। हाँ तो बच्चों, अब तुम भी सुनो, करते हैं पूरी जब ये हर फरमाइश, पूरी करो आप भी इनकी हर ख्वाहिश। आपके संग हम हैं तो कैसा गम है, आपके संग हम हैं तो कैसा गम है। ये आपके संग है, आप इनके संग हैं, ये आपके संग है, आप इनके संग हैं।
हम इनके संग हैं, ये हमारे संग हैं। हम इनके संग हैं, ये हमारे संग हैं। ਭੰਗੜਾ ਭੰਗੜਾ करे वेलिया, बई ਭੰਗੜਾ पऊ बथेरा। नजर मार के वेख मेलने, भरिया पिया बनेरा। सारे पिंड दे लोकी आ गए, की बुढ़ड़ा की ठेरा। मेलने नच लैनी, दिल शौक दा गेड़ा। गल होई पंजाबी विरसे दी, ते भंगड़ा ना पवे, ए तां पंजाबियां दा सुभाऽ ही नहीं। सो आओ इंतजार दियां घड़ियां खत्म करिए ते शुरू करिए भंगड़ा भंगड़ा भंगड़ा।
आओ कच्चा मास पाड़ के जवान हुंदा जो, बीहड़ा दी नहीं ओ हरियाई जट दा। जे बनाई कई टीमां फिरदे, आओ कल्ला कहड़ा चुप ते खपोत यकदा। पंज की कमाई नी मैं थोड़े टाइम लई, टाइम मेरा गया गल्लां डाउन लग पए। दसी उन्हां नूं पराउणा थोड़ा फेड़िया गया नी, जेड़े मेरी गैर हाजरी ते गाउण लग पए। उन्हां नूं पराउणा थोड़ा फेड़िया गया नी, जेड़े मेरी गैर हाजरी ते गाउण लग पए। ओ मर जानी तारियां नूं करे टिचरा, ओए कुड़ी चंद वर्गी, चंद वर्गी। ओ
जोड़ा नी मेरे नाल जो बनिया जट दे 14 लाख दा घोड़ा नी
ਗੱਡੀ ਰੱਖੀ ਕਾਲੀ ਬਲੀਏ ਵੀਲ ਕਰੋਮਾ ਵਾਲੀ ਬਲੀਏ ਨੁਕਰੇ ਤੰਨੇ ਹਾਲ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਸਟੈਫਰਡ ਸ਼ਰ ਦਾ ਜੋੜਾ ਨੀ ਆਈਆ ਫਿਰ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਵੇਖਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਕੁੜੇ ਡਾਇਮੰਡ ਦਾ ਏ ਪੀਸ ਕੁੜੇ ਫੰਕੀ ਜਿਹਾ ਅਟਾਇਰ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੇ ਸੰਗੀਤ ਕੁੜੇ ਨੀ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਉਹ ਬੋਰਨ ਟੂ ਫਲਾਈ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੇ ਰੱਖੋ ਰੱਖੀ ਹਾਈ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੀ ਨੈਚਰਲ ਸਫਾਈ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੀ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੀ ਗੱਭਰੂ
ਹੋ ਡਰ ਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਨੀ ਵੇਖੀ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਨੱਚਦੇ ਨੀ ਤੰਗ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਰਦਾ ਆ ਕੌਣ ਕੌਣ ਨੀ ਸਰਕਮਸਟਾਂਸ ਵੇਖੀ ਇਹੋ ਜੇ ਬਣਾ ਦੂੰ ਵੇਖੀ ਪੁੱਠੀ ਮੈਂ ਵਗਾ ਦੂੰ ਕੁੜੇ ਪੌੜ ਵੇਖੀ ਉਹ ਸਕੂਲ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਵਾਈਬ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਸਕੂਲ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਆ ਹਾਈਪ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਸਕੂਲ ਬੈਚ ਵਾਲੇ ਯਾਰ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਸਕੂਲ ਕਪੱਤ ਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਜੱਟ ਨੇ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਸਕੂਲ ਚੱਕ ਦੀਆਂ ਛੱਡਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਫ ਖੜੇ ਮੋੜ ਕੇ ਹਲਕੀ ਜੀ ਦਾੜੀ ਮੁੱਛਾਂ ਜੱਟ ਖੜੇ ਮੋੜ ਕੇ ਚੱਕ ਦੀਆਂ ਛੱਡਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਫ ਖੜੇ ਮੋੜ ਕੇ ਹਲਕੀ ਜੀ ਦਾੜੀ ਮੁੱਛਾਂ ਜੱਟ ਖੜੇ ਮੋੜ ਕੇ ਕਾਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਕਰੋੜ ਲੱਗਾ ਅਲੜਾਂ ਦਾ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਲੱਗਾ ਕਾਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਕਰੋੜ ਲੱਗਾ ਅਲੜਾਂ ਦਾ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਲੱਗਾ ਹੁਸਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਟੋਲੇ ਪੱਪਾ ਭਾਰ ਖੜੇ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ 5-7 ਮੁੰਡੇ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਖੜੇ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ 5-7 ਮੁੰਡੇ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਖੜੇ ਨੇ 7 ਮੁੰਡੇ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਖੜੇ ਨੇ
ਲਾਲ ਸੂਆ ਰੰਗ ਸਿਰ ਢੋਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਦਾ ਲਾਲ ਸੂਆ ਰੰਗ ਸਿਰ ਢੋਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਪਤਾ ਜੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਾਹੀ ਤੂੰ ਪੱਤਿਆ ਗਵਾਂਢਣੇ ਤੂੰ ਨੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਾਹੀ ਤੂੰ ਪੱਤਿਆ ਗਵਾਂਢਣੇ ਤੂੰ ਨੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਢੋਲਾ ਤੂੰ ਪੱਤਿਆ ਗਵਾਂਢਣੇ ਤੂੰ ਨੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਾਹੀ ਤੂੰ ਪੱਤਿਆ ਸਾਰਾ ਦਿਨ ਗਾਰਡਨ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਇਸ ਵਾਰ ਦਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਦਿਨ ਗਾਰਡਨ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਇਸ ਵਾਰ ਦਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਨੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਾਹੀ ਨੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਾਹੀ ਤੂੰ ਨੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਾਹੀ ਤੂੰ ਪੱਤਿਆ ਗਵਾਂਢਣੇ ਤੂੰ ਨੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਾਹੀ ਤੂੰ ਪੱਤਿਆ ਗਵਾਂਢਣੇ ਤੂੰ ਨੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਾਹੀ ਤੂੰ ਪੱਤਿਆ
Are you ready?
हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 आओ ले लिया कुड़ी ने दिल सादा हाले थोड़ा साफ जानी लगदा है राता हुत बाड़ी लंबी नहीं रखी है मुट्टे यार ने है देखदा परांदा नहीं हूं देखदा परांदा फिगर तो लगदी लटीनो एक बारी दस दो जी नी क्यों शकीनो हाले तू इटली तो आई मर जानी ते परस तू पेरिस तो मंगाया वैलेंटिनो तेनू क्यों ना दिखा तेरे तो की सिखा तेरे पे की लिखा हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. May I invite Mrs. Gayatri Gupta and the guest of honor, Sister Erasma, to the dais, accompanied by our worthy manager, Sister Reshmi, and respected principal, Sister Anita. May I call upon Mrs. Gayatri Gupta to enlighten the audience with your words of wisdom. Ma'am, please.
A very good evening to respected sisters, teachers, students, and dear parents. It is of great pleasure to be a part of the annual day celebration at Sacred Heart Convent School. We all have gathered here today to celebrate the talent and skills of dear students and hard work of dear sisters and dear teachers. I congratulate each and every one of them and wish them all the very best for their future endeavors. I feel very grateful to be present here today because I am a proud alumni of Sacred Heart Convent School. Besides the values that our parents give us, school plays a very important role in inculcating those values, a strong value base in the children, instilling a sense of responsibility, helping develop better communication skills, building personality with moral values, acceptance of diversity of thoughts and cultures, broadening one's perspective through various learning methods. Sacred Heart Convent School as an institution really helps to imbibe these qualities in children. I am extremely thankful to have been a part of this amazing institution. Thank you, dear sisters and dear teachers, for all that you have done and continue to do with great passion, enthusiasm, and positivity. Lastly, world is a very overwhelming place with endless opportunities. It is important to manifest positivity, never feel shy of taking guidance from your teachers, parents, dear sisters, and your mentors. Most importantly, work hard towards your passion and believe in yourself and never stop dreaming. Dreams are what life is made of. And although sometimes things might seem tough, but nothing is impossible. And today there was a small performance which I really liked. Although everybody worked very hard towards performing and it was really mesmerizing and beautiful, but even our little children told us, dreams are what made of, and we need to fulfill our dreams because, you know, dreams are what it is. But at the end, I just want to add one more thing. I recently read an interview which said that it was an interview by Rafael Nadal. I know everybody knows who Rafael Nadal is. He's one of the most greatest tennis players in the world. He said that while I work very hard to achieve my dreams and to become a better player, I also work very hard to become a better person each day. I think it's very important while we are running to achieve our dreams, to fulfill our dreams, one must not forget the values that are rooted within us. Thank you. Thank you so much.
The wisest mind has something yet to learn. Thank you, ma'am, for your thought-provoking and inspiring address. Your words have left a lasting impact on us. Now I solicit our guest of honor, Sister Erasma, to address the gathering with your inspiring words. Sister, please.
Very good evening, dear Sister Claire and Sister Rose Margaret, the provincial councillors, respected dignitaries, very specially Mrs. Gayatri Gupta, Chief Design Officer, Trident, sisters and teachers, fathers, very specially Father Edison, our parish priest, parents, and most importantly, dear students. It is an immense pleasure to be here today to celebrate this special occasion, Sacred Heart Convent School's Annual Day. The theme for this evening, Luminance, Darkness to Light, Soar Higher, captures the transformative journey that education brings to each of our lives, guiding us from shadows of ignorance to the brilliance of knowledge and self-discovery. Education is one of the greatest equalizers in our society. It is a beacon of hope that illuminates pathways previously hidden, particularly to the underprivileged, especially girls, who often face greater obstacles in accessing it. Today, as we celebrate achievements, talents, and the unwavering spirit of Sacred Heart students, I am reminded of countless stories of young girls who dared to dream, whose lives transformed through the power of education. Imagine a girl with limited resources but boundless dreams, whose world might seem restricted by circumstances. Yet, with the courage to pursue education, her journey transforms. She steps into the light of knowledge, gains skills, and acquires confidence. Education becomes her strength, her tool to rewrite her destiny, to rise and soar beyond the barriers placed before her. The darkness of limitations gives way to the light of hope, opportunity, and achievement. In this hall, I see countless young faces full of potential and promise. I urge each of you to continue seeking knowledge, to keep striving, and to never underestimate the strength that lies within you. Let your education be the torch that lights your path. With dedication, you too can break through any barriers and inspire others. To the teachers and parents here today, thank you for being the pillars that support these young minds. Your role in nurturing and guiding them through life's challenges is invaluable. You are the ones who light the way forward, helping them become empowered and compassionate individuals, ready to make a difference in the society, in our world. And to each student, remember, life is full of possibilities. You hold the power to bring change, to spread light where there is darkness, and to lift others as you rise. As you step forward, hold fast to the spirit of luminance. Let your journey from darkness to light inspire you to soar to unimaginable in heights. Thanks a lot, and my heartiest congratulations to the students who performed excellently well. And your performance, I would say, mind-blowing performance. Let's all give them a good applaud. Louder, बच्चों के लिए, जिसने अच्छे से, बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म किया है, mind blowing. जोर से बच्चों के लिए और टीचरों के लिए और हमारे सिस्टरों के लिए थैंक यू एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस. And you, my dear sisters and teachers who have motivated and guided the students. And to you, my once again dear sisters, Reshmi, the manager, Anita Mendonça, the principal, Janet, the vice principal, Alodia and Nancy, the coordinators, Savita Flavia, the financial administrator, Amabel, Ophelia, Delicia, Cedra, and to everyone on this memorable occasion. My special, heartfelt, and deep appreciation to our dear sister Nancy Menezes, the coordinator of KG and the primary, and your band of teachers who have worked very hard with your creativity and educative messages that you have given for all this, and for your guidance and for your spirit-filled way of planning, organizing, and performing today's event is marvelous. It is truly wonderful. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, sisters. Thank you, parents. And above all, thank you, students. Thank you, and thank you. May God bless you.
Thank you, sister, for sharing your invaluable insights. Your words of wisdom have been a great source of inspiration. Now I request Mrs. Ripinder Kaur to take the stage.
The road to achievement is built by consistency and paved with effort. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we come together to recognize and applaud the achievements of our meritorious students who have left a blazing trail of glory in different fields. This annual prize distribution is a recognition of the hard work, dedication, and perseverance of our students. It is a moment to celebrate their accomplishment and to encourage them to continue striving for excellence in all their endeavors. Now, with utmost humbleness, I request Sister Erasma, the corporate manager, to please come forward to honor our brilliant scholars. Sister, please. As I call upon the names of the students, I request them to please come on the stage to receive the awards. I now invite Janvi Verma. She is the district topper and stands first in the school, scoring 97.4% in commerce. We are proud of you, Janvi. Congratulations to you. Sharing my delight, I now call upon Aksh Mittal, who is a district topper and has topped the humanities stream, scoring 96.8%. Congratulations, dear Aksh. We are very proud of you. And on his behalf, his father is accepting the reward. Thank you, sir. Please give a huge round of applause. Thank you. Now I call the students from the commerce stream first. My first call goes to Bhagya Garg. Bhagya stands second and has scored 92.8%. Please give a thunderous applaud. Mehakpreet Kaur stands second with 92.8% marks. Congratulations, Bhagya and Mehakpreet. Please give a huge round of applause. Thank you. Rakshita Sharma stands third. She has scored 92% marks. On her behalf, the parents are accepting the award. We congratulate you both the parents. Please give a huge round of applause. Thank you. Next, I invite the students of the Humanities stream. My first call goes to Kamakshi Singla. Kamakshi stands second, scoring 90.8%. She has scored 100 out of 100 in Fine Arts. Please give a huge round of applause. My next call goes to Prabnoor Kaur. Prabnoor stands third with 90.2% marks. We congratulate you, Kamakshi and Prabnoor. We are proud of you. Now I invite the students of the non-medical stream. My first call goes to Tanya. Please give a huge round of applause. Thank you. I'm too demanding, but I have to be. That encourages them. Thank you, parents. Tanya stands first. She has scored 95.2% marks. Congratulations, Tanya. My second call goes to Prabkiran Kaur. She stands second and has scored 90% marks. Our next call, Suhani Singla. She stands third, scoring 86.6% marks. Suhani Singla. Coming next on the stage are the students of the medical stream. My first call goes to Parneet Bajwa. Parneet stands first. She has got 88% marks. On Parneet's behalf, Mehakpreet is going to collect the award. My next call goes to Jashandeep Kaur. She stands second with 87%. She has got 100 out of 100 in physical education. Please give a huge round of applause to your parents. My next call goes to Ravneet Kaur. She stands third, scoring 85.8% marks. Ravneet Kaur. I congratulate Parneet, Jashan and Ravneet Kaur. Now I will be calling the students who have scored full marks in different subjects. My first call is for Himank Jindal. Himank has scored 100 out of 100 in accountancy. Congratulations to all the winners. Next I call Gagandeep Kaur. She has scored full marks, that is 100 out of 100 in Fine Arts. Gagandeep Kaur. Gagandeep Kaur. I congratulate all the students for their outstanding performance in academics. Please give a huge round of applause to all the winners. I thank our respected Sister Erasma, the corporate manager, for awarding the students. Thank you, sister. Now, I humbly request Mrs. Gayatri Gupta to please come forward to honor the students of class 10th. Ma'am, please. My first call goes to Ishika Singla. Ishika stands first and has scored 98.6%. I feel highly elated to announce that she has scored 100 out of 100 in mathematics and science. Please give a huge round of applause. This is theirs. My next call goes to Varinda. She stands second with 97.8% marks. She has also scored 100 out of 100 in social science. My next call is for Chaitanya Mittal. He stands third with 96.8% marks. Congratulations, Ishika, Varinda, and Chaitanya Mittal. Next, I call Lavanya. She has a special achievement of scoring 100 out of 100 in mathematics and science. Next, I call Gurnoor Kaur. She has scored 100 out of 100 in mathematics. Next, I call Vasu Singla, who has scored 100 out of 100 in science. Malik Singla has also scored full marks in mathematics. We are proud of you, dear students. Please give a huge round of applause to all the winners. Malik Singla. Congratulations to all the students. Please give a thunderous applause to all of the achievers. Thank you, ma'am, for gracing this occasion with your presence. Dear students, I congratulate each one of you. This triumph is not the destination, but a milestone in your odyssey to greatness. May the spark of achievement ignite a brighter tomorrow. Your excellence is truly inspiring. Keep shining. I also express my deepest gratitude to Mrs. Gayatri Gupta and Sister Erasma for felicitating the students. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sister. Now I invite Dr. Vineet Pal to please proceed with the program.
Let your imagination peer through. Let your creativity flow in. Give your dreams new wings. Fly in the vast sky of success and glory. The symphony of words that are strung in the beats of meaningful thoughts allow us to express our emotions and experiences by adding value to each perspective in life. The school magazine, Fragrance, is a platform for all the students to unleash the hidden literary and artistic talent and display in their own creative version. I humbly request our chief guest, Mrs. Gayatri Gupta, Sister Erasma, Provincial Superior and Corporate Manager of BES Northern Province, Worthy Manager, Sister Reshmi, Respected Principal, Sister Anita, to release the school magazine Fragrance 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you all Fragrance, the school magazine for the year 2024.
I now request Sister Reshmi to present our chief guest a memento as a token of appreciation. Thank you, Sister. It is my pleasure to invite Sister Anitha to present our guest of honor a memento as a token of gratitude. Thank you, sisters, for doing the honor. May I now request our guests and sisters to take their seats among the audience.
Showing gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful things humans can do for each other.
I, on behalf of the principal, school management, staff and students of Sacred Heart Convent School, take pleasure in expressing my heartfelt thanks to all of you for your presence and adding charm to this evening. Our sincere thanks to our chief guest, Mr. Rajendra Gupta, for sparing your precious time to be with us this evening. Thank you, sir, and we look forward to see you again and again.
I would also like to thank our guest of honor, Sister Erasma, who humbly responded to our invitation and made us happy despite of her busy schedule. We are grateful to our worthy manager, Sister Reshmi, respected principal, Sister Anitha, eminent primary headmistress, Sister Nancy, for your tireless efforts in organizing this event. Your meticulous planning and coordination have ensured the smooth execution of today's program. I would also like to thank all the teachers, students, and our supportive staff who worked tirelessly behind the scene to make this day unforgettable one.
A big thanks to the district administration and police department who had been very cooperative and ever stood by us. The beautiful Shamiana is provided by Money Tent House, sound and light system by Rhythm Boys, and our photographer Mr. Gurcharan Singh Channa. We are very thankful that you supported Sacred Heart and made this event a grand success. Thank you once again for your contribution, encouragement and presence.
All of you, please stand up. Attention! Ready for national anthem? National anthem, start! Kennedys.
Dear parents, we sincerely thank you for joining us today and making this event a grand success. As we conclude the program, we kindly request your cooperation in ensuring a smooth and organized exit from the premises. Please note that the parents are requested not to enter the classroom to pick up their wards. All the students will leave as per their usual transport arrangements, whether by bus or van. If you have any concern or face any confusion, our staff members are available to assist you. Your understanding and support are greatly appreciated. Thank you, all of you.
ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਫੇਰ ਤੋਂ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਹਿਯੋਗ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਗ੍ਰੀਨ ਰੂਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ ਜਾਣ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਬੱਸਾਂ ਔਰ ਵੈਨਾਂ ਲੱਗ ਚੁੱਕੀਆਂ ਹਨ ਔਰ ਬੱਚੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਨਿਰਧਾਰਿਤ ਬੱਸਾਂ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਹੀ ਘਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਣਗੇ। ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਹਿਯੋਗ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।